a little tired, but that's okay. I really wanted to talk to y'all. And today we're going to talk about the Allure Beauty Box. I really love this subscription. Like, it's still in rotation and it's going to stay there. So let's see what we got. All right, we got the magazine that tells us what we got. There's usually a coupon code in here. So let's see this to put this to the side. Another coupon. Another coupon for HelloFresh. Have any of you tried HelloFresh? My son was getting them for a while, but he like never cooked the food or he would cook the food but forget to take it to work. I don't know. Sometimes these meal subscriptions can come in handy, but I guess it just depends on your family size. Right now at work, because our family's kind of small now. But yeah, let me know if you guys try this. All right, first up, we got the Sacha Dhawan Hair After the Sun hair treatment. I don't exactly know what this is supposed to do. Let's see, it's a conditioning treatment. Okay. So it's like a deep conditioner. Let's see if it smells like anything. I'm always here for a good deep conditioner. So let's see. Ooh. That smells real good. Okay. Wash day is coming, so maybe I'll use this. All right. Next we have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Plus Eye Cream. So let's see. Oh, how much was that? That hair treatment. Let's see. $37. Is this full size? Yes, this is a full size product. $37. Ole Henriksen is supposed to be really good skincare. I've never tried any of that company's products, so we'll see. So then it has a little flip tab, little pull tab. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let's see what it feels like. Because, oh, here's a fun fact about me. I hate bananas. I dislike bananas. I don't eat them. Not candy, not food, nothing. Ooh, this feels good. This is real thick. I still don't smell anything, but this feels really, 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 really nice. It has gold, complex vitamin C, and collagen. So maybe they call it Banana Bright because it's like supposed to brighten, give you some gold. I don't know. But this is, let's see, $44 for 0.5 ounces. Is that what this is? Yeah. So I'm assuming this is a full-size product. Because with eye creams, you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. But it might have to get in line because y'all know Key Soul Care is my jam. All right, well, that's cool. Still excited to try that. Next up, we got the Bioma Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Assuming this is for your face. Yeah. It's a facial cleanser. Oh, I guess I could show you guys, huh? Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Is this one? No, I don't want to open this one. I don't want to open it. But it's, yeah, a triceramide complex with licorice root and green tea. This is a good travel size. Good travel size. Let's see how much that one cost. Oh, it cost $11.99 for 5.91 ounces. This ain't it. So this is not a full size. We got 10 mil. Okay, yeah. But it's still not bad. Not bad. Good to travel. Hey, guess what, guys? We got some lipstick. We got some lipstick. This is by Pound Cake. Cute name. And the color is Red Velvet. Oh my God. I love red velvet cake. I really, really do. And y'all know I love a red lipstick too. It's feeling like a win-win. Yes. Let's see. Let's swatch her. Here's the wand. Nice, nice. Ooh, that's a pretty, like, fuchsia pink red. Let's put her on. Ooh. It like smells like cake too. I love it. I wish the applicator was a little bit more sturdy, but that's okay. I don't know exactly what the formula is supposed to be like, but it's super creamy. I don't know if it's like a matte. Let's see. Let's read the book. But it smells delightful. Pound cake red velvet cake batter. Oh my God, it smells like cake batter too. It really, really does. This is $26. And it's a matte liquid. I like it. I like it a lot. She can go in rotation. She can be in rotation because you know I love me a good red lip, honey. Yeah, I like her. Yeah, and it smells delicious. So good job, Pound Cake. Y'all did that. And oh no, there's 2 more things in my box. All right. Next up, we have the Academia Barrier Boost Serum. Okay, it's for your skin. Or there's how you read it. All right, let's open her up and see how big it is. I don't know if this is a full-size product, but it's a serum, so it's probably a oh, well, I don't know. Because here's the packaging. So, oh, and it's in a little pump. Let's pump some. Okay, I don't know if you can see the consistency. It feels kind of gelish, but doesn't smell like anything. It smells like skincare. Well, not really. It doesn't really have a scent, but it feels really, really nice. It feels nice. My hand feels really nice, actually. Huh. Let's see. How much is this one? And is it a full-size product? We got 8. No, it's not. No. For a full-size product is 30 milliliters. We got 8. And it retails for $68 for the 30 milliliters. I really, really, really like this. It said this serum has an instant calming effect on irritated skin. And I could totally feel that. I feel that. Like my hand feels really, really, really nice. And you know, as we age, we should put stuff like this on our skin and on our hands so you can't tell how old we are. Because you know, sometimes that neck get a little wrinkled or them hands be looking all shriveled up. Her face says she 30. Ooh, but them hands, baby, will tell her she's 65 in a heartbeat. So, yeah. But this is nice. I really like this. I can see me using this, like, this weekend we'll be at a jazz festival and we're going to be in the sun. So, maybe I'll try that out to see. I'll put that in my purse. See if I get a little calming on my skin after being in the sun. All right. Last but not least, we have the Neogen Dermology Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. Anti-wrinkle. Okay. Cute little deluxe sample size. Let's see, does it have a safety seal on it so we can try it? Yeah, it does. I don't want to open this, but let's see how much a full-size bottle costs. A full size will cost $48 for 50 grams, and we got 15. So, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And it's supposed to be a hydrating hyaluronic acid and ceramide moisturizer. Okay, and you're supposed to put it under your sunscreen. So maybe I'll use, oh, wrong thing. This, and this. So before sunscreen, after being in the sun. So we'll see. All right, so that was my box. Let's see what we got. So we got the deep conditioner for your hair, the eye cream from Ola Henriksen, the beautiful pound cake lipstick, the youth repair cream, the jelly facial cleanser. Maybe I could put this in my travel bag this weekend too. And then we have the skin serum. So that was my box. All in all, what do I think? I think it was great. I really like the Allure Beauty Box. I don't have any complaints about this box because when you get full-size items, I don't necessarily know if this is, yeah, this is full-size, but like you get great products, like good brands. I know this one is expensive. And you get to try just different things. So I'm not complaining. I wish there was a little bit more makeup in here, especially because I already kind of have my skincare favorites, but that's okay. I have a son who's like trying to take better care of his skin. My husband is into skincare, so they won't go to waste. Plus, you know, I got the line of sisters and the kids, so yeah. So yeah, let me know if you guys subscribe to Allure Beauty Box. Do you like this box? Do you like it more skincare heavy, or do you like your boxes more makeup heavy? When I say that I am done with Ipsy, I totally mean that. Well, after the icon box, but you'll see when it gets here, whenever it decides to get here. So that was my box. I enjoyed you guys. I'm tired, but she may be going to bed with this lipstick on though. I like her. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.